Hello children, today we are going to learn mixed fraction and improper fraction. Suppose you have ordered 2 pizza and you divided each pizza into 6 parts. आपने 2 पिज़्ज़ा ऑर्डर किए और हर पिज़्ज़ा के 6 पार्ट्स कर लिए. You ate 1 full pizza, एक पूरा पिज़्ज़ा खाया और सेकंड का 1/6 पार्ट खाया. You ate 1 full pizza. 1 full pizza you have eaten and 1 part out of 6 parts of the other pizza you have eaten. दूसरे का 1 part जिसके 6 parts थे आपने उसका 1 part खाया. In all आपने 1 whole 1/6 pizza खाया. 1 whole and 1/6 of the other. 1 whole 1/6 pizza you have eaten. Or you can say you have eaten 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 parts of a pizza which had been divided into 6 equal parts. जिसके क्या थे 6 equal parts थे और आपने उसके टोटल कितने खा लिए 7 parts खा लिए. So 7 parts you have eaten and denominator is 6 because each pizza has been divided into 6 equal parts. So we can say that 1 whole 1/6 is equal to 7/6. So mixed fraction and improper fraction are interrelated and you can convert mixed fraction into improper fraction and improper fraction into mixed fraction. Now today we will do exercise 8.6 and question A is change improper fractions to mixed numerals. Improper fraction को आपको mixed number में change करना है. And the first part is 9/4. Here you see 9 is numerator and 4 is denominator. What we will do? We will divide numerator by denominator. Numerator को denominator से divide करेंगे. So we will write 9. We will divide by 4. 4 to the 8 and 1 is remainder. So when we write in fraction, quotient becomes whole number. Quotient becomes whole number. Remainder becomes numerator. Numerator is remainder and divisor is denominator. Divisor is denominator. So in fraction how to write? 2 whole 1/4. Whole is 2. Whole number is 2. Remainder is numerator. Numerator is 1 and denominator is 4 which is divisor, that is denominator. So the mixed fraction is 2 whole 1/4. Now second part is 5/2. Here numerator is 5 and denominator is 2. 5/2 is improper fraction. Again same method we will do. We will divide 5 by 2. So 2 to the 4. 1 is remainder. 1 is remainder. So 2 quotient is 2 which will become whole number. 1 is remainder which will become numerator and 2 is divisor which will become denominator. So in fraction how to write this? 2 whole 1/2. 2 whole 1/2 is the mixed fraction of 5/2. In the same way you will do all parts. Now question B is change mixed numerals to improper fraction. अब हमको mixed numbers को improper fraction में change करना है. There is one formula, denominator into whole number plus numerator divided by denominator. This is a formula to convert mixed numeral into improper fractions. The formula is denominator into whole number plus numerator divided by denominator. So using the formula we will do first part. 1 whole 1/4. First part is 1 whole 1/4. So 4 denominator we will write multiplied by whole number, that is 1. 4 into 1 plus numerator. Numerator again is 1. So we'll write plus 1 here. And denominator is 4 here. We'll write 4. How to do this? So we will multiply 4 and 1. 4 1 the 4 plus 1 divided by 4. 4 is denominator. We'll write 4 as denominator. So 4 plus 1 becomes 5 and denominator is 4. So we'll write 5 upon 4. So the improper fraction is 5 upon 4. Now second part is 1 whole 2 by 3. So we'll write the formula: denominator into whole number plus numerator divided by denominator. So use these figures in the formula. Denominator is 3, whole number is 1 and numerator is 2. And again denominator is 3. So we'll multiply 3 and 1. 3 1 the 3 and 2 we will write here. 3 plus 2. When we add, we get 5 upon 3. So improper fraction is 5 upon 3. In the same way, you will do all parts. Now question C is compare the fraction. Here you are given mixed fractions and improper fraction. What you will do? Firstly, you will convert mixed fraction into improper fraction and you will write improper fraction here. So you compare now. When denominators are same, we compare only numerators. So 33 is greater than 14. So 6 whole 3 by 5 is greater than 14 upon 5. Now fourth part is 5 whole 4 by 9 and other is 8 upon 7. The first step, we will convert mixed fraction into improper fraction using the formula. So we get 49 upon 9. Here we have 8 upon 7. We see both denominators are different. Here 9 is denominator, here 7 is denominator. So we will use cross multiplication method to convert unlike fractions into like fraction. So we will multiply 49 and 7 and 8 and 9. 49 and 7 we will multiply, 8 and 9 we will multiply. When we multiply, we get 343 and here we get 72. So we know 343 is greater than 72. Therefore 5 whole 4 by 9 is greater than 8 upon 7. In the same way, you will do all parts. Now question D is write in ascending order. Ascending order means small to big. The first part is mixed fractions are given to you. Firstly, convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. So what we see here, denominators are same. These are like fractions already. So we will compare only numerators. So smallest numerator is 9. So we will write the corresponding fraction of 9 upon 4 is 2 whole 1 by 4. Then 13 upon 4. So we will write 3 whole 1 by 4. Then 21 upon 4. We will write 5 whole 1 by 4. So in the last we will write 25 upon 4. It's the corresponding is 6 whole 1 by 4. This is the ascending order of the given fractions. Now second part is again mixed fractions are given. First step is to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. Now what we see, all denominators are different. Here 2, 3, 6 and 5. When denominators are different, we take LCM of the denominators. So we got 30 as LCM. Now we will make equivalent fractions of these given fractions with denominator as 30. So same method we will apply to make denominators equal to 30 here. 9 by 2 into 15 upon 15 equal to 135 upon 30. In the same way, we will make equivalent fraction. Then we will find which fraction has the smallest numerator. Here we see 85 upon 30 is the smallest fraction. We will write 1 here, then 102 is second number, then 135 is the third number, and 160 is the fourth number. So we will write the corresponding fractions of these fractions in the ascending order. So 2 whole 5 by 6, then 3 whole 2 by 5, then 4 whole 1 by 2, and then 5 whole 1 by 3. In the same way you will do all parts. Now question is write in descending order. And the fourth part is mixed fraction is given. First step is you have to convert in improper fraction. As denominators are different, you will take the LCM of the denominators. You have got 60. Now make equivalent fractions with denominator as LCM, that is 60. Then arrange in descending order. The greatest numerator is 104, then 102, then 100, then 75. Then you will arrange the corresponding fractions in descending order. In the same way you will do all parts. That's all for today. Bye-bye.